What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you apps that pay you PayPal money. The top 3. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you apps that'll pay you PayPal money. And these are going to be the top 3 apps in 2020. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. Also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Now, before I get into these 3 apps, I just want to say thank you for getting me to 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and randomly pick a comment. I'm going to pick 2 comments, and those 2 people will win the free money. Now, I'm going to reveal the winner in my next video. So, you still have a chance to win the free money. So drop that comment down below right now. Watch this video all the way to the very end. Make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these top 3 apps that will pay you PayPal money. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at the first app and I'm in the App Store, and I'll tell you the name of this app in a minute. And I'm gonna go by this real fast because I have a couple of more apps to show you. So this app will pay you to give your opinions. So it says here, make an impact, join thousands who help shape the products of tomorrow by sharing their opinions and ideas. So you're going to be sharing your experiences. You'll be able to shoot videos, snap photos, answer questions about your daily experiences. And you're going to get paid with cash rewards for participating in exciting research projects. And you're going to get notified when a new opportunity is available. So let's just read a little bit more about this app right quick. So it says here, share your experiences, show off your unique perspective by answering multiple choice and short answer questions. Don't just tell, show. Share photos, videos to capture the in-the-moment experiences wherever you go. Collaborate with like-minded scouts. That's what they call their people on this app from around the world. Now, let's just look at the rating on this app. Now, out of 5 stars, it's 4.5, which is very good. And let's just look at a review right quick. Here's one right here. It says, absolutely amazing. Not sure why anyone would rate this app any less than 5 stars. I've made over $700 in the last 4 months. So this person has made $700 already just in 4 months. I mean, I know that's not a lot in 4 months, but that is some money you be making doing simple survey type of work. So this app does pay out in PayPal. So if you're interested in this app, the name of this app is Discount. So that's DSCOUT. And you can get this in the App Store and also the Google Play Store. Now let me go to app number 2. Okay, I'm still in the App Store and I'm at the next app, number two app. And the name of this app is QMe Surveys. Now, I have talked about this app in the past, but I want to bring it up again because it's still one of the best apps you can use and make money from in 2020. So let me just go over it right quick. So earn, save, spend, answer surveys, get great offers, earn cash rewards. Earn cash rewards for sharing your opinion by taking surveys. Save money with top coupons and offers from great brands. And get your cash rewards via PayPal or gift card. Now let me just scroll down here and read a little bit more about this app. Just some key points that you guys would want to know. So it says here, spend your rewards, get your cash at any time, cash out to PayPal. There's no minimum amount. So there's no minimum amount. You can cash out at any time on this app. And you can visit the QMe website and install the desktop browser extension to earn cash rewards when shopping and searching on Google, Amazon, and eBay. And you can take surveys on the website too. So if you just want to go ahead and take surveys on the website, you can do that too. You don't have to do it on the app. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. Now out of 5 stars, it's a 4.5, which is very good. So it's another good one. And let me just read a review right quick. It says, so I got this app a few days ago and I love it. I love how you can cash out at any time, unlike other survey apps where you can only cash out at like $30. So this person is very satisfied that it's no minimum amount, because this person is right. Other survey apps, you have to accumulate so much money before you can cash out. So I'm finished with this app right here. Now, if you're ready to get started, go to QMe Surveys in the App Store. Now, let me go to the third and final app. Okay, I'm at the third and final app, and I'm at their website. The name of this app is called The Plug. Now, this is a little different, doesn't have anything to do with surveys or answering questions or anything like that. This is a totally different type of app. So it says easily monetize your influencer audience. So what you're going to be doing on your social media accounts, you'll be able to use this app to make money from your audience. So you're going to be an influencer. So you're going to pick a plug. So you'll pick a plug from this site or this app, choose an app to promote, post it on your socials. So you're going to be choosing an app and you're going to promote that app on your social media accounts. Choose from high-performing campaigns, copy a link, and download new ad media daily. And you're going to make money. So this is how you make money. You're going to earn plug coins for your promotions, turn coins into cash. Cash out anytime. You can cash out anytime with PayPal, receive fast payment, and view your account history with ease. And you'll be able to track, you'll be able to see your promotions in real time with rich analytics and notifications. Track installs to page views, get notified when new plugs become available. And they do have a referral program, so now you can earn 500 plug coins after your referral earns 1,000 plug coins. So when you refer somebody and they earn 1,000 plug coins, then you would get 500 plug coins. So here are their investors right here. Crowdfund, SV Angel. So they have some pretty legitimate backers on this app. So this is only available in the App Store. So they're going to be coming out with one on Google Play, so look out for that. And that's all I'm going to say about this app. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory as far as you're going to be advertising an app for them or promoting the app for them to your social media audience. So if you want to get started, go to plugco.in, or you can go to the app, which is in the App Store. All right, so now you know the top 3 apps that will pay you PayPal money. So go ahead and download those apps right now and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that like button and help me get to 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below. You still have a chance to win this free money. Like I said, I'm going to announce the winner in the next video, and I'm going to randomly pick a comment. So if you're new, drop that comment down in the comment section below. And please share this all around the internet and help me get to 3,000 subscribers. That's my next milestone, because every 1,000 subscribers I gain, I'm going to give out some free money to my grind family out there. So please share it all around the internet. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. I just want to say again, grind family, I really appreciate you guys getting me to 2,000. It was a long struggle, but I made it to 2,000 subscribers. Now let's go to 3,000 subscribers. Help me get there, guys. Help me. All right. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.